Sleep strategies for women. Peak performance here. You struggling to get the rest you need to perform at your best? Sleep is the foundation of peak performance, especially for women balancing multiple roles. In this video, we share sleep strategies for women's peak performance, practical tips to help you improve your sleep quality, boost energy, and achieve your goals. Watch now to learn how to unlock your full potential through better sleep. Why sleep matters more than ever. For women, sleep is not just a luxury, it's a necessity, especially for women, with unique physiological and hormonal changes throughout life. Quality sleep plays a critical role in maintaining overall health and well-being. Here's why sleep is essential. 1. The science behind sleep and women's hormonal health. Hormonal fluctuations during menstruation, pregnancy, and menopause can disrupt sleep. Adequate sleep helps regulate cortisol and supports growth hormone production for repair and recovery. 2. Impact on cognitive function and emotional well-being. Sleep enhances memory, focus, and problem solving, which are crucial for women juggling multiple responsibilities. Lack of sleep exacerbates mood swings, anxiety, and depression, which women are already more prone to experience. 3. Sleep deprivations linked to common women's health issues. Sleep disrupts hunger hormones, leading to weight gain. Chronic sleep deprivation increases the risk of heart disease, weakens the immune system, and affects reproductive health. Sleep is vital for skin repair and anti-aging, as it promotes cell regeneration. Sleep disruptors. The hidden enemies of peak performance. CICVN peak performance starts with quality sleep, but many factors can sabotage your rest. Here's a look at the hidden enemies of sleep. 1. Stress, anxiety, and their impact on sleep cycle. Stress triggers cortisol and adrenaline, making it hard to relax and fall asleep. Racing thoughts and overthinking delay sleep onset and reduce sleep quality. 2. The role of technology and blue light in sleep disruption. Blue light from screens suppresses melatonin production, delaying sleep. Excessive screen time before bed leads to lighter, less restorative sleep. 3. Nutritional deficiencies and their connection to sleep. Quality magnesium deficiency can cause insomnia. While low vitamin D levels are linked to sleep disorders, iron deficiency disrupts sleep patterns, especially in women with heavy menstrual cycles. Crafting a sleep-friendly lifestyle. Sleep-friendly lifestyle is key to restorative rest and peak performance. Here's how to create one. 1. The importance of a consistent sleep schedule. Going to bed and waking up at the same time regulates your circadian rhythm. Consistency improves sleep quality, energy levels, and emotional stability. 2. Establishing a relaxing bedtime routine. Unplug from screens 1 to 2 hours before bed and engage in calming activities like reading or meditation. Create a sleep-friendly environment with cool temperatures, darkness, and minimal noise. 3. Diet and exercises impact on sleep. Avoid caffeine, heavy meals, and sugary snacks before bed. Regular exercise, especially outdoors, improves sleep quality, but should be completed 2 to 3 hours before bedtime. Power up your sleep. Effective strategies for women. Transform your sleep with these actionable strategies. 1. The power of mindfulness and meditation. Mindfulness reduces anxiety and promotes relaxation, making it easier to fall asleep. Techniques like body scans and guided meditations improve sleep quality and duration. Exploring sleep aids and their benefits. Natural supplements like melatonin and magnesium can support sleep, but should be used cautiously. Always consult a healthcare professional before trying sleep aids, especially during pregnancy or menopause. 3. Consulting a healthcare professional for personalized solutions. Sleep issues can stem from hormonal imbalances, stress, or medical conditions. A healthcare provider can recommend tailored solutions, such as sleep studies or cognitive behavioral therapy for insomnia. Taking action. Prioritize sleep for a brighter tomorrow. Sleep is an active investment in your health and future. Here's how to make it a priority. 1. Empowering women to prioritize sleep. Set boundaries. Create a sleep sanctuary and involve your family in supporting your sleep goals. 2. The positive ripple effect of better sleep. Improved physical health, emotional resilience, relationships, and career performance. 3. Sharing experiences and tips with the community. Join online communities. Comment on the video or track your progress in a sleep journal to inspire others. Conclusion: sleep is the foundation of women's health, influencing hormonal balance, cognitive function, emotional well-being, and long-term vitality. By prioritizing sleep, addressing disruptors, and crafting a sleep-friendly lifestyle, you can unlock your full potential and thrive in all areas of life. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more wellness insights. Sates and share your own sleep experiences and tips in the comments. It's Balaki changes made. 1. Removed repetitive phrases like now. Watch the video to learn more, and consolidated it into one concluding section. 2. Streamlined overlapping points about stress, technology, and nutrition to avoid redundancy. 3. Combine similar ideas for better flow.